Welcome. If you want to change mouse primary button in your Huawei MateBook D15, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next click on devices. Right now we have to go for mouse. And in this place we can select our primary button. So currently I set up left one. So take a look, when I click on the left button on my screen, on my desktop, nothing is going to happen. But when I switch from the left to the right now I will be I just misclicked. I will be able to open this refresh list, so we can open display settings, display manager, personalize, change the view, sort icons, and make other stuff like create folders or documents. And right now when I tap on the right, as you can see, it pops every time. So I just get used to the left one, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change for the left one. And basically that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.